Are you sure there's no, unnecessary chemicals and stuff used in it? And they were like, yeah, we're sure. We'll show you statistics. So I think that's incredible that someone's taking the trouble to come into the market. So yeah, thank you, Tara, so much, and thank you so much for inviting me here. Like Tara said, we're mums today, but we've gone through the entire circle till now, I think, in our initial days. And firstly, I would like to congratulate Baby Dove for having this wonderful line that they're launching today. And I'm glad that they saw me as a mum to come here and be part of their event. Because yes, there is loads of anxieties, and all of us at some point in time get into this whole circle of, being extremely anxious and getting into zones of, am I doing the right thing or am I doing the wrong thing? And you need people who come out there and say that, no, we're with you, we hear you, we understand you, and we will do our best to make this ride much easier. Because it's not the easiest in the world. I'm sure Tara agrees with me, and I'm sure you agree with me, and a lot of mums here do. As much as it's glamorous, the kids are always the cutest, and no one bothers about the mom 90% of the time. But I think as a new mom, you need a lot of assurance. I've seen the difference between my first son and my second son as a mom. I've seen my difference. I've seen my growth. I've seen that I have felt a lot more comfortable the second time around rather than the first time, because you just figure out there's no point in just being anxious. And yes, thank you, Baby Dove, for coming out with a new line of products that you can trust. 90% of the times you're in a zone where you don't know whether you could trust or whether you can't trust. And one of my first questions to Baby Dove when I met them prior to this was, are you sure there's no, unnecessary chemicals and stuff used in it? And they were like, yeah, we're sure. We'll show you statistics. So I think that's incredible that someone's taking the trouble to come into the market. And all of us love being Indian. All of us love using products available here. We just want it the right way. So lots of moms are going to have this assurance that this is going to be a good brand, and this is the brand that could probably be the future. Congratulations.
So, Jean, starting with you, when you were pregnant and perhaps soon after you had your first son, did you have anxiety? Did you feel people would stress you, sometimes almost intentionally, people coming to say, are you ready? Are you prepared?
Yeah.
Did that happen?
Tara, even if they didn't do it intentionally, by a certain conversation in the room, I would get stressed. Certain things that, am I doing it the right way?
Yeah.
There's certain things, see, as in life, I think whether you're a woman or whether you're an individual or whether you're a human being, you all come with a certain set of qualities. And being a mom is no different. You come with another set of qualities, and which may not be the same as you, or you may not be the same as me. But when you're in that room and everyone's discussing about certain things, you're like, am I doing the right thing? Because maybe I'm not doing what that mom is doing, And that questioning yourself, which I think is also important in a certain way. I think it's nice to question yourself once in a while. I just think it's not nice to lose confidence in yourself. And I think the first 2 months go in with a lot of things. I mean, be it breastfeeding or be it, choosing the right kind of products. Everything makes a difference to a new mom, and also the fact that she's gone through so much, and
Genelia, you had 2 babies within a gap of like 2.5 years. So generally, as mothers, when we want to have a second child, we always think, 18 months, So that's even like less. So we wonder, what is the ideal gap? So for my question to you is, would you have waited longer, or do you think it's fine the way it is?
I actually like it because I thought I would prefer both of them growing up together. So, and that's how I grew up with my brother as well. But when I discuss it outside, a lot of people say, no, I think I'd like to wait, at least 4 to 5 years before I can do it again. And I think that's fair enough. So when people say, what do you feel? It's better I always say it depends on the mom. It depends on what she feels like, because I think I always wanted it, though it was a bit quick. And right now I feel it's a lot of hard work, but I feel it's going to pay off because they'll be company for each other and I'll be a little more freer because I won't feel as guilty. Talking about, guilt thing, I think they'll be there for each other.